Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to fix your account of Tinder has been banned. If you also got this notification on your Tinder account, then let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Tinder bans you or blocks you due to a few reasons, such as violation of terms of service or community guidelines. If you search for Tinder community guidelines, you can open up this website and you can see all of the community guidelines of Tinder. It includes sexual content, harassment, violence, and a bunch of other stuff. If you've done anything related to this, your account will be banned. And there's nothing that you can do about it. But if you haven't done anything and still your account was banned, there is a way that you can fix this issue. Search for Tinder support and then open up this website which says submit a request. Inside of the website, click on this box, click on travel with account login. The second box, click on can't log in, my account was banned. Now in this section, what you need to do is fill in your details such as your email address and your phone number which you have added in Tinder. Make sure that is the exact same number and email address. And in the third box, you'll need to type in the detailed explanation of the exact issue that you're facing. You can type in the description something like this, and when you fill in all this information, you can click on submit. After you submit this report, Tinder will take a look at your account, and if you haven't done anything related to the terms of service and the community guidelines, they will give your account back. But if you have, you cannot do anything about it, and your account of Tinder will be permanently banned. In this case, what you can only do is create a new account of Tinder. So that's the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.